cooking. That is all they seem to say. What's cooking? I can hear it night and day. I braise a steak, bake a cake for everyone to eat. But I'll soon go bonkers, they're working me right off my feet. What's cooking? Can't face it anymore. What's cooking? Help me someone, I implore. This is the end, I'm round the bend. Oh, can't you hear my plea? What's cooking? It's me.
Where's the chef de cuisine? He is nowhere to be seen. We must find him right away. He's the king of cheese soufflé. Zero Irish here. Be brave and show no fear.
Or we'll be upside down. Loop the loop.
Can somebody please get me out of this suit?
Hooray, hooray, hooray! He's the king of cheese soufflé.
All got your instructions right?
Good. Right. Good.
Right.
Right, now your onions.
Good.
Dumplings.
Right.
Roast beef.
Good.
And you?
Yes.
You're sweet.
Oh.
All right. All systems go. Blast off!
I'm not done yet. I'm not done yet. I'm done.
Soon we're going to eat a very tasty treat. A dish that is so new.
This stuff tastes like glue. We're ready, Doctor.
Very well. Carrot.
Carrot.
Beetroot.
Beetroot.
Onion.
Onion.
Parsnip.
Parsnip.
Potato.
Potato.
Sprout.
Sprout.
Nana.
Nana.
You make it your way, I'll make it mine. Egg. 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 Egg.
We're all out of eggs, Doctor.
Nana. Put your finger on that nut. All right, that's it.
You made surgical history. Wonderful technique, Doctor. Brilliant.
Thanks, Doc, you're doing a great job.
What's cooking? That is all they seem to say. What's cooking? We can hear it night and day. We braise a steak, bake a cake for everyone to eat. But we'll soon go bonkers. They're working us right off our feet.
Watch the burners.
What's cooking? Can't I face it anymore? What's cooking? Help us someone we implore. This is the end, we're round the bend
With all this fuss and muss.
What's